Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. There's a bit of a trade idea, dollar yen buy. What I'll do, I'll go out and I'll explain what I've got marked up here. There's a few things on the chart. So let's just go out to daily. What I'm looking at is the fact that we've traded up into this level here. When we look left, the only thing that I'm seeing is this distribution level, this candle. So what I've done is I've marked that across on the daily. Okay, I'm looking at this as a target. We don't have any price gaps. This is resolved here. So basically what we have here is a free run, more or less, north without anything there to cause this to trade in the opposite direction as far as I'm concerned. So we're reaching north. Now this is a bullish trend. We can see we've opened the weekly open here on Monday. It traded south, so I'm assuming it's attacking sell-side liquidity. Then we get the break above, so we're looking now for, hopefully we see an opportunity here for the week to ride this all the way up through into these levels here. So that's what I'm looking at. We can see strong bullish from way back here. So my bias is definitely to the upside with this. Going down to the 4 hour now, have a quick look at what we've got here. What I've done, I've marked up these levels over here left. This price gap, let me just clarify that. Okay, so this candle here we've got, if you look, candle left and candle to the right over here. So this is an unresolved imbalance here. So I've pulled that through and marked it as a price gap back through here. Now this is a big level, this one right here. And then we've got a 4 hour distribution nested with a daily. Okay, so this is a daily and 4 hour distribution level. Right, so this is it. This is my key level up here, target, resistance, whatever you want to call it. We are trading north, okay, above the weekly open. A bit of a pullback down, and I mean there is bullish momentum with it. Let's see how we go. Now the stop loss could be a little bit tight. You could, if you wanted to, you could stretch that out and take it down below this previous low over here. I'm going for a bit of a tight stop loss just under the weekly open. So that could be something that you might consider. What have we got here on the 4 hour? It's already starting to trade up, so this could be quite a nice opportunity. I'm looking for an extended move with this. It's Tuesday, and I'm hoping that we gain some distance with it. That would be nice. Going down to the 30-minute with all of this marked up. Yeah, the only consideration is I've just pulled this high over here, and it runs through this range mid-level through here. At the moment, we're still trading under that. So if you're conservative, you could wait for something like, where are we? Stay in drawing mode. You could wait for something like this, retest and fail here. But then, how many times do you want to, that could be a thing. But by then, I've closed my target one is reached, right? So anyway, up to you. If you're conservative, a break and retest above here could be a thing. I've already traded this long on my live account. And I'm kind of okay with this at the moment, so we'll just take those out. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say about this dollar yen? By the way, guys, join my Discord. It's free to join. The link is below. I'm in their Asian session right through London and sometimes into the New York Open. So a lot of activity going on in there. This will be posted in there as well. Anyway, that's my take. Dollar yen long. What else can I say? Trade safe. Make sure you've got good risk management in place and enjoy the ride. With that, look forward to seeing you in Discord. Have a great day. See you in the next one.